Hello, sixth graders. This is the demonstration on how to begin your contrast design and really work your way through brainstorming how to make one of these projects. So the first step is you have to make that value scale from your tint all the way to your shade, and you've definitely got to have your hue in there, and this is the one that I painted for our videos, and here's a finished project that I painted. Okay, so you can see all the 7 values in there, and they are kind of mixed up, but you can see I have nice edges. We have a 7 next to maybe a 1 or a 2. This one's maybe a 3. Okay, so you want to make sure that you kind of put these values in different places and not in order on your project so that our shapes pop out. So how do we do this? Well, there are 2 designs that you can create. One is geometric with perfect shapes, and the other one is organic with nice flowy lines. Maybe it makes you think of leaves or nature. Geometric, you would be using rulers and things that you trace around. So if rulers and tracing is not something that you're good at, I need you to do organic. Okay, you're going to do a couple different designs, and so you'll get a piece of paper that's similar to this one. It might be yellow, and you are going to draw a design on one side for geometric, and you're going to draw an organic one on the other side, and then you're going to choose the one that you think you did the best on. Okay, so how do we go about doing that? Well, here's a paper that has both written on there. Okay, nature again has real curvy lines, has things similar to nature. This one maybe reminds you of sand dunes or water. Okay, and then we've got our math shapes where we have overlapping shapes. It could be any shape, and you can see how I've numbered some of these. Okay, so if I want to make a geometric design, I'm going to start with one shape, and this one was a square. Okay, and you can see how I have a square in the center here, and then I have a square that I started, and then I just keep building, and some of them go over the top, some of them are underneath, and so I will be doing more of a demonstration on how to do that, and then you're going to number your spaces. Now, the most number of spaces that you can have are 12 to 15 spaces. And that's so that we do not have more shapes that we have to paint than are necessary. Okay, so in this one I have, looks like 13, nope, I have 15 shapes, okay, because I numbered them. Or do I have 16? Oh, I have 16, but look at, I erased this line, so this number is going to go away. So that's how you get less shapes, is by just erasing one of your lines. Okay, here is my organic one. If I wanted to number these, I could start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that one actually fits. If I want to add a few more in there, I could maybe start on this side. This side doesn't have any lines coming from it, so maybe I want to add kind of a loop here. But now how many spaces did that add? It added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces, and I can't have that many. Okay, so I'm going to have to erase some of those to fit my space. I have 14 and I can only have 15 spaces. Okay, so maybe I just erase this, and I don't see my eraser. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to erase my lines here. Okay, so now I have this beautiful shape here. So that one would be 14, 15. And I need to erase one more line because now I have 16, and maybe I just erase this one, or maybe I erase that one. So it's totally up to you how you decide that, but you do want to have some small shapes sporadically in different places and some large spaces in different spaces. You don't want to have all the big spaces on one side and all the little spaces on the other. Okay? So you are going to be getting a pencil and an eraser and a practice paper, and you're going to come up with an organic design or a geometric design. Let me show you some other designs here. Okay, so here we have triangles that are overlapping. Here's some more rectangles or square. I think I started with rectangles on that one. This one's more of that organic one again. Okay, again, here's more of the organic one with the sand dunes. Here's one with circles. This is an a geometric one. I have different size circles that I've created. Here I have almost like tiger stripes. Now there's probably going to be more spaces in that one, and I'll have to erase some of them, but you can see how you can use organic from animals too. And this one is circles. So you can see I've already started painting that one. And I don't know if I have any other ones on here. Nope, I don't have any more designs for you to see. So you're going to be getting your practice paper, your pencil, and your eraser so that you can come up with your design on both sides of your paper, like this one. Okay, so one geometric and one organic, and then you're going to come see me, and I will give you a star on the one that you have chosen. Good luck.